Okay, as we can see here, something's not right. So let's take a look at this. This is my Hoover Decade 80. I was using it a few days ago and put the motor on high speed to pick up a few stubborn things. Ran for a little, made a few loud bang noises, the lights blew out, and that was it. As we can, I thought actually that the motor had blown out, but I had been wrong. And in fact, the fan had self-destructed. As we can see, there is no more fan in there, just a little bit of the hub left. There's a piece of it, a couple pieces here. I think the rest of the pieces are in the housing here. Yeah. So that's going to have to be repaired. I probably have an extra fan in one of the other convertibles that I have. I think one of them, if you remember the other video that I had showing all the vacuums, the orange, I think it's the orange convertible, the bearing assembly is shot. So I'm going to see if the fan is any good on that one. Put it on here, but that'll be for another day, another project. That's that.